This is Doom running directly inside my terminal. It's not a video player, not an emulator, not a browser. It's actual Doom with graphics and sound. Here I'm using CMUX and I have a split window. On the right is Doom running in my local terminal. On the left, I'm actually currently SSH into a remote Linux server. As I will show later, it can also run Doom. The project is called kitDOOM. I will put the link in the description. For control, you can use WASD and F for weapon, space to open door. You use the left-right arrow to turn around. You can also use mouse, but mouse can easily go out of view. Here on the right terminal, like I said, I'm SSH into a remote Linux server. Currently there's no kitDOOM. As you can see, it's a Ubuntu, and it's a Ryzen processor. So let me first install kitDOOM. Then I just directly start kitDOOM. Now let me go back to the right Windows, right terminal. The bundled kitDOOM only have one episode. So to use another alternative WAD file, you can just specify it. Here, let me try second episode. Alright, now the fourth episode. So one question you might ask is, does it work on Windows? Yes, it does work on Windows. Here is Kitty terminal on Windows. As you can see, it's Windows subsystem for Linux, WSL, and it's Ubuntu. Let's install and start the game.